coming from Europe. So they are not the Caribbean type, they are the Chilean type. And the Chilean type is on the list of almost extinct species. They are being, how do you say that, breed in Europe to prevent this species from extinction. And we got these birds from Europe, so they came. Of course, they flew in with TUI a week ago, and we prepared a little area for them over here. We absolutely didn't take them from the wild. They were the first 2 days without clipped wings. Flamingos don't fly away if they have enough food and if they have a good area where they like to live. But we are in close contact with our vet, and also I'm in close contact with somebody from the States who helped me in this process. And he said it's better to prevent that they fly away because they are brought up in captivity and they're not taken from the wild, so they're not used to live in the wild themselves. And so Saturday the vet came, and of course, yeah, we clipped them, that's true. That's just a little piece from the wings. The vet did it, it didn't hurt them at all. And we immediately placed them back in the area where they feel safe, and they immediately started eating. And as you can see, they're standing in the water. We made a pool for them. This is a temporary area where we're keeping them. We are giving them the best care we can, and we are treating them with all the respect we have for them. And it's certainly not a pet, and we're certainly not going to force tourists on them. We have rules. They cannot get into that area. They cannot feed them by themselves because they have a certain amount of food that they have to take in every day. They also have that certain amount taken in by night. And we're not going to let everybody just feed them. So we might later on give the people the opportunity to feed them, but we will see how that works out. We first keep them here so they can get accustomed to the people walking by. And as you can see, they're not really actually noticing them anymore. And we try to get them used to the people. And as you can see, they're standing in water, and one of the comments was that we do not clean the water. Well, these birds do not like clean water. They like to live in muddy waters, a little bit salty, so that's why also they are here. The programs we do, we have reusable plastic, we do not allow foam, we do not allow balloons because it's not good for the turtles. So we are really busy with lowering and basically balancing out the tourism and nature.
Essa aqui tá é Arubiano, o website